Hadian balami bun ki khubor halo ka jede ke jong u ba ka sen kongres Dr. Mukul sangma man ta ka sngi ulekran bekla pathai khubor tang ba omsam lapan pau yei ke ik bone na ne shakmat Dr. Mukul sangma ule thu khana shpang ka jing don u ba ka sen kongres na du borang khanna hak bule thu mana Ampati constituency na du basnang ka jalla hadu menta la job Beit ka sen kongres lan tang ka snam chayak na spa pra hak bakla don ka Jingïaleh Pyrshah ya ka sen kongres bat hakate ka snam ka sen kala sharem kebot na ka ka constituency
feel good factor. I'm here today to at least ensure that you have the words from the horse's mouth, because my attention has been drawn to quite a number of media reports, and I think I was not accessible for some time. So obviously, you have done your part, and then the overall media reports are available before us. So I think the important aspect is that as far as Dr. Mukul is concerned, I had the privilege to really contribute in building a very, I must say, the Grand All Party, which has been built by our forefathers with definitely with a purpose which is before us. And while during my childhood as well, I had the privilege to follow my parents, because my parents were in Congress from then. And Ampati, as you know, was one of the seats which was always a Congress seat. It has always elected and returned Congress candidates, except 1988, when there was a coup within the party, as usual in Congress, which is always not unexpected. And an independent candidate won for the first time, and Congress was defeated. Therefore, the whole dynamics of the politics was such that all the members who had this whole alignment with Indian National Congress, who had the kind of deep relationship with this Grand Old Party, wanted me to join politics. And I tried, because I was a medical officer then. So it took a long time for me to get my resignation accepted, so I couldn't get the party ticket. I had to contest as an independent. After that, 1998, I first got elected as a member of the Indian National Congress into the August House. And ever since then, I have had the privilege of being associated with this Grand Old Party and have been building the party in whatever humble way I can contribute along with the leaders of this